In this video, I'm going to show you how we can link our existing domain with Cloudflare. So let's see how we can do this thing. So at first we need to access this URL cloudflare.com from any web browser, and then we just need to click login. Once we click login, then we have to use our username and password to log in. I already logged in, that's why I am going to access my account. Once you are there, then you'll find the add button. We just need to click here, add, and then a couple of options are there. We have to choose connected domain. I'm going to click here, and very shortly it will be opened like this. Now there is a couple of information we need to fill up. So first one is we have to type the domain name. So my domain is already registered with Namecheap, and here I see this is the domain, fearsteps.online. So we just need to copy this domain name, or we can register domain name from there also if we want to purchase some domain from Cloudflare. So this is the page where we need to paste it. So I'm going to paste it, the address fearsteps.online, and then we have to scroll till we find the continue button. But before doing this, I'm going to choose this option, block on all pages. This AI training bot, I'm going to block it, and then I'm going to press the continue button, and very shortly it will try to add the domain name with this many options of plan. So Cloudflare has different plans are there, like free, pro, business, and enterprise. So free plan has this many features. So if you just started developing your website, I think these are very good for you. And if you need more than this free plan, then you can choose this plan. But I am going to choose this free plan for this video tutorial. And here we see there are 70 plus Cloudflare rules and 5 off rules, and these are the featured, like universal SSL certificate, which is really good for my site, and global CDN, and something is also important like unmetered application layer, IP-based rate limiting, and so many things. So I'm going to choose this plan, which is free and it costs $0. So I'm going to click here, and very shortly it will be like this type of page. So from here we have to scroll. Here we see a couple of informations are there. What you need to do, we just need to remove basically a couple of information, and then we can do this thing. So what we can do right now, it is a part domain, so I'm going to click delete. So it will be deleted, and also this thing we can also delete. Okay, we don't need it anymore, and also we can delete other thing also if we don't need. So I'm going to click this information. So when we register the domain, basically it brings this type of information. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to delete all the records. So if we try to bulk delete like this, we just need to type it over here manually, and then it will be deleted, and very shortly it will be deleted. Now we have to press this continue to activation button. I'm going to click here, and very shortly it will bring us this window, add records later. So I'm going to press confirm button, and here we just need to add this two information to our domain. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click copy. So where we need to do this thing, so we just need to access our domain registration panel where we register, and then we have to change the name server. So this one I already copied, so I'm going to jump my name server domain registration panel, and here I see this is the panel. So I'm going to press this manage button, and very shortly it will open the manage thing. And now if we scroll, we'll find a couple of information is there, like name server. So what we need to do, we just need to modify this thing. So I'm going to click here, and very shortly it will bring this thing. So from here we have to choose custom DNS, and then we have to add those DNS. We can manually type it, or we can copy paste from there. So I already pasted. Now the second one, this is the other one. So I'm going to click here, and then I'm going to paste it over there. So once we did this thing, what we need to do, we have to press this save button, and finally it will be saved, and we'll see the information has been saved properly. So very shortly you'll see, so these two domains like name server has been saved, and below there are some other things are there, but I'm not going to choose any other thing. Now I'm going to jump to name server like Cloudflare, and then what I'm going to choose this option, I updated the name server to verify. I'm going to click here, and very shortly we'll see that here it is giving us this type of message, waiting for your registrar to propagate your name server, and it will take 1 to 2 hours, but may take up to 24 hours, but it will not take that much time, like few minutes, like 20 minutes maximum. After that you can actually check everything is there. And now I see, I refreshed my page right now, and I just refreshed my page, and here I see that my domain is propagated to Cloudflare. So if we click here, this fewsteps.online, or if we go to the home page of my account, then we'll see that domain is there, fewsteps.online, and here there is a small message active. That means our website, not our website, our domain is active right now with Cloudflare. And in this way we can easily configure our existing domain with our Cloudflare account.